Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share a very simple and healthy recipe, Moringa Tea. This tea is not about taste, it is about healing, detox, and refreshing your mind and body. If you feel tired, low on energy, or stressed, this Moringa Tea can really help. Step 1. Preparing the water. First, take a glass or steel vessel and place it on the gas stove. Add water up to half of the vessel and turn the flame to low. Step 2. Adding ginger and cinnamon. Now take 1 inch of fresh ginger. Wash it well, peel the skin, cut it into small pieces and add it to the water. Next, take 2 inches of cinnamon stick and add it as well. Let the ginger and cinnamon boil together for about 2 minutes on low flame. Ginger helps in digestion and immunity. Cinnamon helps control blood sugar and reduces inflammation. Step 3. Adding moringa leaves. After 2 minutes, turn off the gas completely. Now take a handful of fresh moringa leaves, about half of 1 bundle. Wash them properly and add them to the hot water. Do not boil moringa leaves. Just cover the vessel with a lid and let it rest for 5 minutes. This method helps preserve all the nutrients in moringa leaves. Step 4. Removing leaves and reusing them. After 5 minutes, open the lid, remove the moringa leaves, and take out the thick stems. You can reuse these moringa leaves in roti, dal, sabzi. In this tea, we are using only the flavor and nutrients, not the leaves themselves. Step 5. Final touch, lemon, honey, and seeds. Let the moringa tea cool slightly until it becomes lukewarm. Pour it into a glass. Now add half lemon juice, 1 spoon of honey. Mix it well. If possible, add a small pinch of chia seeds for extra fiber and digestion support. Garnish with a few moringa leaves on top. Health benefits of moringa tea. This moringa tea helps to detox the body, improve digestion, boost immunity, reduce stress and fatigue, refresh the mind naturally. It may not taste very sweet or fancy, but it is extremely healthy and refreshing. Drink this tea after 1 minute while it is warm. Your mind will feel fresh, and your body will feel light. Moringa tea is a natural powerhouse of nutrition. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help detox the body gently. Drinking moringa tea helps boost immunity and improves digestion. It supports healthy blood sugar levels and reduces inflammation in the body. Moringa tea is also very good for brain health. It helps reduce stress, improves focus, and refreshes the mind naturally. This tea supports heart health, improves metabolism, and helps fight daily fatigue and weakness. Moringa tea may not taste very sweet, but it deeply nourishes the body from the inside. When consumed regularly in moderate amounts, moringa tea can support overall wellness, energy, and vitality. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.